Imagine a world where you can seamlessly move money across borders without the hassle of traditional banking systems. A world where you can even trade cryptocurrencies with the same ease. But here's the million-dollar question. Does Airwallex, the popular fintech platform, play in this digital gold rush? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the heart of the matter, let's quickly recap what Airwallex is all about. It's a global financial infrastructure platform that empowers businesses to move money, collect payments, and manage their finances across borders. Think of it as a modern-day financial Swiss Army knife. Now, onto the burning question, does Airwallex support cryptocurrencies? While the platform offers a wide range of financial services, it's important to note that Airwallex does not currently provide direct support for cryptocurrencies. This means you can't buy, sell, or hold crypto assets directly through their platform. Why the absence of crypto? There could be a few reasons for this. One possibility is that Airwallex is focusing on building a strong foundation in traditional financial services. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new and volatile asset class, and there might be regulatory and compliance challenges associated with offering crypto services. Another reason could be that Airwallex's target market might not have a high demand for crypto services. The platform primarily caters to businesses, and while some businesses might be interested in crypto, it's not necessarily a core need for all of them. Alternative options. If you're looking for a platform that offers both traditional financial services and crypto capabilities, there are several options available. Some popular choices include Revolut, known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, including cryptocurrency trading. Wise, formerly TransferWise, a global money transfer service that also allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a vast array of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. The future of Airwallex and crypto. While Airwallex doesn't support crypto at the moment, it's possible that the company might consider adding these services in the future. As the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies becomes more favorable and the demand for crypto-related services grows, Airwallex might see an opportunity to expand its offerings. So, to answer the question, no, Airwallex does not currently support cryptocurrencies. However, the platform offers a wide range of other financial services that can be valuable for businesses operating in the global market. If you're looking for a platform that combines traditional financial services with crypto capabilities, you might want to explore other options like Revolut, Wise, or Binance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.